back to another video today out on the lake once again. It is a gorgeous day. We're down here near Branson, Missouri, and I wanted to talk today about these dock lines. I got these from Academy. You can order them from anywhere. They are a bungee style line, and what makes them better than any other line is a quick release. So all you have to do is wrap it around, push forward, and it won't come off. And then this is bungeed, so you can pull it, and the boat can stretch and not cause stress on your cleats if there are waves. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. We're finishing this video up in the garage. I didn't want to, but after we got to the lake and I started this video, way too much fun. Sun was out. It's the first time the sun's been out in a couple weeks, couple trips for us, so I am sunburnt, and we had a blast. So I'm going to finish this up in the garage real quick. Here is the line once more. I am going to insert the picture of where I got it from and what it is right here. And it's a 4-foot line. Once again, you easily loop it, cinch it, and it makes docking so much easier. It is a stretch line. You can put one on the front left, one on the back right, and a nice slip if you're going to eat, if you're at the marina getting gas. It allows the boat to move freely, and it does not sit on the edge of that dock just sitting there rubbing. There are many different types of docks, so this really works well. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.